Hey y'all, this your girl. The difference is today I am going to put on this wig. Okay, it is a Upart wig. It already is cut out for you. It has these elastic bands on it so that you can tighten it. I colored this wig already, and I also wore it. So I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I wore it already. I just clipped it on my head, and I threw a hat on, and I just went about my day. You feel me? Because it was real simple. All I had to do was leave some of my little natural hair out and blend it on in there, and just throw this on in and clip these on in there. One good thing I like about clip-ins is that when I tell you, when you clip these in your head, baby, this is not going this not going nowhere. Okay? These clip-ins clipped in so good. When I tell you, at the end of the night, it kind of had my hair hurting, so I had to take it off. But I'm gonna go ahead and brush this on out. We're gonna blow dry it on out. We're gonna throw it back on. I'm gonna show y'all how I measure my leave out. Now, this braid under here is not all that neat. Okay, it's not. I'm sorry. I tried to braid it myself and I couldn't that good. So we just gonna make it do what it do. Okay. So when I colored this here, it came out pretty good. The only thing is, wigs don't be like as full to me, but I mean it works. It's good. I mean,
Mama, KaSaunJ at it again.
I'm gonna brush it and I'm gonna clip it on my hair, and y'all gonna sit here and watch me curl it. Okay. So now I'm going to blend my hair in with this Upart unit. The best way to blend your hair for me is to press it out. I like my roots nice and straight. If you guys are interested in purchasing a pressing comb, I do have some on my website for sale. Just make sure you click that link in the description box below under the video. The product that I will be putting on my edges is called Premium Beeswax. It is a product that I make. It has coconut oil and castor oil mixed inside. It is a edge control product. However, it's not a wet base. It is dry because it is wax, and it also does not leave your hair with a white residue. You don't have to apply it every day as well. If you tie your hair down as instructed, it should last for 7 days. If you guys are interested in purchasing this premium beeswax, the information will be located in the description box. Now I'm actually just going to take the flat irons and flat iron my hair and the unit together so that it can blend in. I'm also going to add a little bit of holding spray so that my natural hair don't frizz up and give you that frizzy poofy look, and then the weave is like super straight. I hate that when I see girls with their natural hair just so poofy and then the weave is like super straight. So we want to make sure we blend all of that on in. Once again, this Upart wig is from Al Grace Hair. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, please click the link in the description box. All the information will be located below. They also have some specials going on. If you guys are interested, once again, let them know that I sent you. Thank you guys. My boys wanted to come bless the camera and say hi. Now, good night. Now, y'all know y'all girl wasn't finna go nowhere without showing y'all this onesie. Okay? Okay?